What's up guys, today we are going to go take some more pictures of our cars because I'm running out of pictures of my car and I want to get some of the R32 and the Supra together. So Julio is on his way with the Supra, and once he gets here then we'll head out, and I know 2 spots that we're going to hit and we're going to see if we can find another one. Also, the Skyline got a new sticker. Thank you, Eric. Have your thing right here. Thank you for the sticker, man. In the last photo shoot video you would have noticed that this whole back end was totally dirty. Well, I cleaned it yesterday because it was bugging me because I was getting made fun of for it. It's definitely an improvement, but it's still dirty, and I tried Simple Green. Simple Green worked pretty well, but it's still really dirty. I'm not sure what the move is from here. I'm not like too worried about it, only because the car's gonna get wrapped. I'm not sure when, but hopefully soon, because if you have seen yesterday's video you'll know the good news about the 240. The money I'm saving from not having to invest into that car can go into this car, and I want to wrap it ASAP. So now we're just waiting for Julio to show up. Hey, look who it is. Okay, time to roll out. Damn, everybody's out here walking. We got a horse up here? Goddamn. Here we are. Damn, you can see everywhere. You can see Long Beach, Catalina. So this is spot number 1. We got this beautiful view. We got the Skyline and the Supra. We're gonna take some nice pictures. Getting some good shots of the cars, and a local over there walking his dog told us that if we follow this road up, we'll get to an even better view of this with no obstruction. So we're gonna go check that out too. You know, if someone would like to buy a Supra for me, I would really appreciate it. I would take real good care of it, don't worry. I may or may not actually wash it, like I don't wash this car. I mean, overall, like, the car looks fine. It's not like perfect. About to move to the other spot, and then we're gonna break the drone out and we're gonna fly around. If we were going like a lot faster, this could be like a movie thing, and then Supra just does a J-turn right there and then puts it in first and goes. That'd be pretty sick. But we're not good drivers, so we'd probably fuck something up. Okay, what the hell are we getting ourselves into? Careful, Julio. Oh my god. This is, oh no. Do you want to keep going?
This is not a driveway? Like someone's house?
I don't know, because he said straight. Because like that left where it said private road, that's where I turned, and that was someone's driveway. Poor Supra. Guess we're gonna keep going. This house right here has a motor home, so if they can make it through here, we can. But this is pretty ridiculous. So I think somehow either we went the wrong way or the local told us some wrong information, but we ended up in what we think is someone's backyard, and there's no way that our cars are gonna make it up this hill here. My 240 could, but 240's not here. Well, we're not going to be able to go any further. We're going to turn around in a bit and go back over there, but we actually got some nice pictures here. This is a pretty sick spot. Probably never coming here again though. It's really hard to like pick up the dirt and the color of the car, but it would be sick to have this as like off-road Supra picture for Instagram. Okay, so we're gonna go break his lip even more. It was already broken like that. The second lip since I've known him that's been broken, so apparently they're pretty cheap. Cool, so I'm gonna try and turn around. Okay, well now we're back at the spot that we were just at, because that did not work out. We did some off-roading with the Supra. The R32 had no issues because I've got like 2 feet of clearance. Dude, at least you don't have a carbon lip. That would suck. Look who it is. Damn, that looks good. The color on Freddy's car looks so good. I need my skyline wrapped. I'm still figuring out what color I want. Okay, well now it's not raining, so I'm gonna fly the drone. So we're done up here now. We're going to get some food and then we will find another spot to take some pictures at. So Julio's right-hand drive, so he's going to reverse through the drive-through. I've done it once with my car and I don't think he's done it yet, but here we go. So we got the GoPros on it too. Hopefully we can get some good reaction off this. This is hilarious. Like, it's like stupid, but it's still pretty funny. Okay, we've been here for like 6 or 7 minutes now. Does it really take this long to microwave the burgers? What the fuck? So I've known Julio for like 6 months or more, and I've never been in the Supra driving, so we're about to do that. Ooh. Wow, that was so awesome. That's the fastest car I've ever been in. I'm at like a loss for words. That was insane. Up until that point, my 240 was the fastest thing that I've ever been in. And my 240 is pretty quick. I mean, the car doesn't really weigh anything and it's got 330 to the wheels, so it's not slow, but compared to the Supra, he had like no traction, but it pulled hard. He's got just about 600 horsepower, which is insane. It's crazy. Oh my god, and he wants more and he can't even hook up. It's insane. But that was sick, so thank you to Julio for letting me do that. His Instagram right here, go check him out, give him a follow. Be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like if you did. Comment down below, let me know what kind of content you guys want to see. More Supra content. I know a couple people with R35s, we can get them involved. Just let me know, comment down below, and then hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.